G'day friends, I hope that you've had a fantastic week so far. Naki and I have been so busy practicing. Did you know that you can watch the lessons over and over? That is what Naki, Bobby and I did this week. We got stuck on some of the exercises and then we decided to watch the lessons again so that we could practice with the soundtrack. Watch out for the link at the end of this lesson and then you can ask mommy or daddy to help you to find this if you want to practice along. Today, I want to teach you a new note. This note is called G. This is where you will find the G. Look carefully. Is it in a space? No. Is it on a line? Yes. Which line? Line number? Yes, line number 2. Remember that the G note is always on the second line of music. Now, Naki, do you think I should teach the children how to play a G note? Would you like to play a G note? Would you like to learn how to play the G note? Yes, let's do this. It is very, very easy to remember. I have an ear recorder right now. I'm going to use my thumb to close the thumb hole. Then I'm not going to close only one hole. I'm not just going to close 2 holes on the front, but I'm going to close 3 holes on the front. Come on, show me your ear recorders. Have you got your G? Play on it. Boop, 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 boop. That's quite fun, isn't it? Now that you know how to play the note on your ear recorder, I would like you to take your recorder and then we're going to blow a few G notes. Are you ready? Thank you, Bobby. So there we go. You put your thumb on the thumb hole, first finger on the first hole, second hole, and the third hole. This is G. Now, boys and girls, I think we should be playing this using the 3 fingers on the front and our thumb on the back. Right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Was that easy? It's got such a deep sound. I really like this note. Let's play it once again. 1, 2, 3, and. Wow, this sounds so beautiful. Right, put your recorders in resting position and then I would like for you to open your book on page 17 because we're going to play track 33. I'm giving you a second. Do you have it? If you don't want to open your book right now, you know what? I will make sure that it appears on the screen for you and you can play from the screen. How about that? That's perfect. Well, let's do this. On track 33, we have got different rhythms. We have got different notes, do we? What do you see? No different notes. All the notes are on the G line. Well done for spotting that. Let's quickly clap the rhythm. Are you ready? Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ta. Good job. Let's quickly see, should we say the G, G, G in the rhythm? I think so too. So I'm putting my recorder back in resting place or position. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and G, 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 G. Oh gee, that sounds like a song on its own. Right, let's quickly put our recorders on our chinny chin chin. And remember, we're just going to make sure that we have the rhythm properly and our fingers on the notes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and very good. Now we're going to play this. Are you ready? Oh, I'm getting warm now because I've got to concentrate so hard. Right, sit up straight, breathe in, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was very nice. I think you should write your own song just on a G note. Practice any rhythm you want and play it for mommy and daddy. Right, I think it's time for us to move to exercise 1. What are we going to do? The same, always follow the same steps, and you should do that even when you practice at home. Are you ready? I'm putting my recorder in. What position? Yes, resting position. Let's say the tas. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ah. Did you forget about the ta, ah? No, I can see you didn't. Let's put our, should we put our recorders ready? No, I forgot. Oh, me old noggin is getting old. We should say the note names, of course. And now watch out for that new note. What is it called? The G. So, can I show you something before we even play this? I'm going to show you very carefully. The first note is a B, and the second note is a B. Then we have an A, and an A, and a G. Close your eyes because I want to show you something very special. I'm writing something in my book, and open your eyes. Right, look carefully. It spells out the word B-A-G, bag. Yes, it says bag. So that's all you have to remember, that you play the bag notes. Are you ready? Okay. So let's clap and say the note names. 1, 2, 3, and B, B, A, G, 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 G. How easy was that? Right, now what we're going to do, we're going to put our recorders on our chinny chin chin and we're going to tongue the rhythm. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and did you get that? Now let's play. Let's make music. 1, 2, 3, and just because that sounded so good, I'm going to give you a yellow star. But you shouldn't color your star yet because you've still got to practice it another round. Right, I am selecting this star for excellent exercise 1. Right, boys and girls, let's sit up straight, keep the energy going. We're going to do exercise 2. My recorder goes back into resting position and we are going to look at the ta and the surprise sa that's in this line. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, sa, ta, sa, ta, te, ta, ta, ah. Now that might be slightly more tricky, but I know you will go and practice that again at home with the clapping. Let's say the note names. 1, 2, 3, and B, sa, A, sa, G, G, A, G. Did you battle with that? Don't worry if you did, because you still have all week to practice. Now we're going to do the chinny chin chin playing, or the toot toot toot, the tonguing. Are you ready? Put your recorders on your chinny chin chin. Get your fingers ready. 1, 2, 3, and see, it's slightly easier when you actually use the recorder. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Oh yes. Now we're going to play the track using the music or blowing. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and oh, that deserves a second star for super playing. We are just excellent, aren't we? 2 stars already. Now for exercise 3. We're on a roll here, boys and girls. We're getting better, and the harder we practice and the more we practice, the better we'll get. Are you sitting up straight? Recorders in the resting position. So we're going to look quickly, look at the line. What do you see? I see them too, the tate notes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tate, tate, ta, sa, tate, ta, ta, ah. That was slightly easier. I really think that was very easy. Should we try it again? And now we're going to say the note name. Now, who can remember what note are we supposed to start on? Let's see. Nak is going to show us note G. Yes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, G, A, B, sa, B, B, A, G. And now we're going to take our recorders and do the chinny chin chin and tonguing the rhythm. Are you ready? Let's do this. Right. Get your fingers on the G note, not the B, the G. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and well done. Very impressive. Now we can play this exercise. Are you ready? Remember to have your fingers on the G. Yes, let's do this. Sit up straight, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and ooh, that sounded really good. I like that the notes went up and we took a rest. And then it came down again. It sounded like a real song, a short song, but a nice song. And just for that, I'm going to give you a star. What color star? Blue star? Green star? No, yellow star. Now, boys and girls, what I'm going to do, I'm going to play exercise 4 and 5 for you. And then you can go through all the steps when you're at home, when you practice. And then you can also go to the church's website and look for the music link, and then you can play along with the tracks. Right, I'm going to play exercise 4, and that will be track 37. Well, that was slightly more tricky, but I'm sure that you can get another star for that when you practice it at home. Now for exercise 5, and that's track 38, and it starts on a G. Now, boys and girls, you must probably have noticed that we went through all the exercise only once. Now, this is because Naki, myself and Bobby feel that you are so responsible and will definitely practice the exercises at home. Now, remember that Naki is holding the G note because we practiced the G, but we also already know the B and the A. And remember that it spells bag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all my notes, my note names, thank you Naki, and I am going to put my BAG notes in my bag so that I can go home and start practicing today. Naki, thank you very much. Bobby, thank you very much. And goodbye, friends. Till next time. See you again.